Hello and welcome back to an unboxing with Adventures with Piccadilly. This is going to be the unboxing of our Farm Fresh Carolinas farm box. We went and visited them last week, so go check out the video. We had such an amazing time. Those people are amazing. I wish we lived closer because like we'd be besties. They don't know that, but anyway, and so we traded out our plastic bags for a reusable bag. They make this so convenient. I get two. It's got my name on it, and we just swap them week after week. So they'll bring me this one, take away the other one. It's great. Again, we are doing our Farm Fresh Carolinas unboxing. Let's see what we have today. Oh, look how cute. We got microgreens. These are Rocket Immunity, Immuno Boost Blend, Rocket Immunity to New Levels, Funky Farmer microgreens. I'm so excited about these. I love them on my salads and my wraps. We got, I think this is like chard, maybe? Yeah, I'm not sure. Kale, it's kale. All right, so let's just be clear that I'm not the vegetablers in the family. It's kale. It looks delicious. Dark leafy greens, love. I also got these bags. They are washable, reusable, cut down on the plastic, and they always send with an ice pack. You'd send that back with them next time too. So in this bag are tomatoes. Bloop, bloop, bloop. These are really glorious looking tomatoes, I'm not gonna lie. Absolutely delicious. And we have some eggplant. I'm actually really excited about having gotten eggplant again. I've got a special recipe that I want to try for the channel, so two really nice looking eggplants are going to be perfect for that. Ooh. That is, I'm like 95% sure that's an acorn squash. We'll look it up and figure out a glorious way how to use it. What do we have? Beets. Golden beets. We eat the heck out of some beets in this house, so I'm super excited that we are in the beet time of year. I love them roasted, a little bit of goat cheese, pistachios, honey. Oh, all right, I gotta stop because then I'll just make myself hungry. But yeah, golden beets, super delish. This is also the first week we've had these little cloth bags. I think they're lovely. I'm so glad we decided to go with them. They were just a tiny bit of added cost, but it was a one-time cost. And again, we send it back and they send them fresh every time. Oh, green and purple green beans. I love purple green beans. Basically any purple vegetable. Oh, and white. You get so much more flavor, and then the flavonoids, which are the healthy things in it, the nutrients that give it color, and they're good for you. Those are called flavonoids, and the darker your produce, the more flavonoids. I probably didn't explain that well. I did not go to any sort of medical school, but I'm possibly right about that. And finally, some pears. Lots of pears. I'm gonna have to make a tarte tatin with those because pear tarte tatin is one of my favorite things. Now, you may notice that we have more vegetables than fruit. Typically in the box that we get, it's about 50-50 fruit and vegetables, but we are kind of swimming in vegetables right now. In fruit right now. So I specifically asked them to send a veggie heavy box, so they only really sent the pears as fruit. And I also asked them not to send potatoes because I got potatoes coming out of my ears. Once we get through that and we have back to more of a balance, I'll switch back and have them send just the standard kind of 50-50, including whatever is the most fresh, the most ripe that they have. But it's so nice that every single week I can go in and either say, hey, don't send me this one thing, or give me a more veggie heavy box. That way it fits better into our life. So again, this is Farm Fresh Carolinas. You just watched us unbox our farm box. This is Adventures with Piccadilly. That's Piccadilly. And